Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix Facebook story not showing problem 2026. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, click on Facebook apps. See, this is the problem. Okay, let's fix it. After that, now go back your home screen and check your internet connection. Now tap on Wi-Fi and tap on aeroplane mode. Now go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Scroll down, now search for Facebook apps. Now tap on Facebook apps and tap on storage. Now clear cache and clear data. Now tap on force stop and OK. Now tap on permission. Now all permission. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your Facebook apps. Search icon, now search for Facebook apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and restart your device. Now tap on Facebook apps. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.